In this video, I'll show you how you can create your own AI avatar or using only two platforms. So, head over to Google and type in Edugram. Now click the first link with that brain-like logo. If you are not logged in, please log into Edugram using your Google account. Type your email here and press next. Now type password and press next again. Here type in any name that you like. I will type mine as Yani-777. Now click on create profile and your profile will be created. In this section we will describe what kind of avatar we need. Now we will wait a few seconds and our avatars will be generated. So here are our avatars. Basically only create 4 avatars at a time. If you want to create more avatars, just can generate and it will create another set of 4 avatars. I think for me this one is good because it mostly look like my model, so I will use this one. Now click on the 3 dots front of our username and download this avatar. Now open a new tab and type in face swap. Here you will see lots of links, but click on the one with F logo and a black background. Click on the image face swap. Click here and upload your image. In the second box, upload the image of your avatar. Now click on swap faces. It will take some time and it will swap your face onto your model. And here are the results.